To my role model, understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be exploring the phrase, to my role model. It's a phrase filled with admiration and respect, often used to address or refer to someone you deeply admire. Let's dive into what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it effectively in your own conversations. Before we grasp the full meaning of the phrase, to my role model, it's crucial to understand what a role model is. A role model is a person who inspires you, someone you look up to and wish to emulate in some way. This could be due to their behavior, skills, achievements, or the values they uphold. When you call someone your role model, you're expressing a deep respect and admiration for that individual. The phrase, to my role model, is often used when you're addressing your role model directly, perhaps in a letter, speech, or even in a dedication of your work. It signifies a personal connection and acknowledges the significant influence the person has on your life. It's like saying, I am talking to you, the person who inspires me the most. In writing, when writing to your role model, you might start with, to my role model, followed by expressing your thoughts, gratitude, or the reasons why you hold them in such high regard. It's a heartfelt way to begin a letter that's deeply personal and respectful. In speeches or presentations, in speeches or public addresses, you might use, to my role model, to dedicate your performance or presentation to the person who inspires you. It shows the audience the source of your inspiration and pays homage to that individual. In social media or public posts, you might also use this phrase in social media posts or public tributes to acknowledge and thank your role model publicly. It's a way of sharing your admiration with others and possibly inspiring them to think about their own role models. 1. In a letter, to my role model, thank you for showing me the strength of perseverance and the value of dreams. 2. In a speech, to my role model, this achievement is just as much yours as it is mine. 3. In a social media post, to my role model, your courage and wisdom light the path I walk on. To my role model is more than just a phrase. It's a powerful expression of respect, admiration, and personal growth. Whether you use it in writing, speech, or on social media, it's a way to connect deeply with those who inspire you and to share that inspiration with the world. We hope this video helps you convey your admiration more effectively. Remember, a role model can be anyone, and perhaps one day, you'll be the role model in someone else's story. Keep inspiring and stay inspired. See you in our next video.